How to schedule your Instagram post on PC. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is to access your Meta Business Suite. Now, for you to be able to do this, just simply open up your preferred web browser and then just head directly to business.facebook.com. And here, what you want to do is just to simply switch on a specific account where you would like the post to be scheduled. Now, next thing to do is go all the way to the top and just simply click on Create Post. Now, in here, just simply choose on Post To and make sure that this account is connected to your Instagram account. Now, if it is not yet connected, just simply choose on Connect Instagram and it will automatically link to your Instagram account. Now, choose on any photo or video you would like to be posting it on a schedule, and then scroll down till you find scheduling options. Now, just think this circle right here and choose the date and the time. And that's how you schedule a post on Instagram using your PC.